Hello traders, how are you all doing? Please come, let me show you a very interesting thing on GBPAUD, a pair that I would like to swing for the week starting March 11, 2024. Now here is the reason why I want to swing this pair. As you can see, this is the monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame here, all I am seeing is that we are on the uptrend. That's what I want to see. I want to say that the candles are giving me are just above the fast moving averages, my Ichimoku fast moving average. All the candles for the current candles that are formed in the very recent past and presently are above the fast moving averages. That's what I want to see, and that will tell me that we are on the uptrend. Now, dropping to weekly time frame, here is the reason too, another comparison why I'm considering to swing this pair for the coming week. All you can see is that we've been on the uptrend from this period. I think that's around March of last year, 2023. We've been buying, we've been bullish, and then we did some retracement rather towards these slow moving averages here, and now we came up from the below the moving averages and came above the fast moving averages there. Every candlestick there, as you can see, is above the fast moving averages. That's what I want to see. Another thing I want to see too, and you can see that I have a gray box in there. That gray box is just, I'm looking for a balanced bottom. And what do I mean by a balanced bottom? I want to see a double what's it called, a double bottom on anything I trade, on any time frame that I'm considering to trade. And here is the double bottom I'm talking about. It's right here, rather here, excuse me. Here's the double bottom I'm talking about. This was just a little dip into these moving averages and rise and came below, and you can see just at that same level, that's where it uses support and then rise up again to break those moving averages. So that I'm seeing a balanced bottom there. That's reason number two. Now here is where things get very much interesting. Dropping to D1, this is what has been happening on D1. We are on the rise, and now you can see just the past week, these two candles here, that is what I am seeing as my strong point. These two candles, I show you this same thing some time ago, especially on gold, what some people call it the railroad track, and some people call it the 180-degree reversal candles. These two candles are very strong. Now, just like I was saying, here is where things now get interesting. You see, this is a tail bar. A tail bar itself is a very strong reversal candle, and now you now have dual tail bars, double pin bars, as some people will call it, pin bars, occurring, two of them happening at just the same point. That is crazy. Pin bar is strong enough for a reversal, and now you have double pin bars, or what I call tail bars, at the same point, the same time. There's nothing as powerful as this. Nothing as powerful as this. And especially these dual tail bars is now having color change So forming a 180-degree reversal on a very important time frame, the daily time frame, where the big boys do their thing. I'm swinging this pair. In fact, as the market is opening on Monday, I'm just wasting no time. I am taking my entry at the market open, and this here will be my stop loss, 100 pips or a little above 100 pips. That's around 110 or thereabout pips, but just be that bar is where my stop loss is going to be. And look at where I'm going to aim. I'm going to aim at the weekly, most recent weekly high. That's this point here. It may take a longer time for this to develop, maybe a week or two, but I don't mind, as long as the risk to reward is very reasonable. And here is what I'm talking about. So if I take my trade at the opening and place my stop loss just below there, that's like 120 pips, and my TP there, that's like 550 pips. I think that's at least 1:4 risk to reward ratio, which is appropriate for me. So I am going to take this trade as the market open on Monday. Now listen, please, this is my personal opinion. I am not a financial advisor. Don't take this information as a financial advice. Do this only on the demo. Please. I am not a financial advisor. The information presented in this video is not to be taken as a financial advice, please. It's not an investment advice, please. So this is just purely for educational purposes, educational and informational purposes, and nothing more. Don't take this as a financial advice, please. Now, I would like to drop a little down to a lower time frame to also show you something also that will make me take this trade coming when next week Monday as the market open. Now look at this bar here, this very bar that broke those moving averages there. That's what I call the mother bar. And mother bar that clears a number. This is just in 4 hours. Work that is done in 4 hours is able to counter how many hours of work. Look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 times 4. 4 hours times 10. That's like 40 hours of work. 1 hour of work is able to condemn and cancel 40 hours of work. That's a mother bar. So when a mother gives birth, when a mother is expected to give birth to children and protect it. So I'm expecting other bars to just form. And if I am going to do what's called, day trading, I will just go to a lower time frame as the Monday morning and all of that, and see some replica of what I'm showing you on the higher time frame, and then try to take trade to to this point here. But because I want to swing, I'm aiming for a higher percentage risk to reward, which is my trade would be just somewhere around here, and then here will be my stop loss below that bar. So that's it for me for the week starting March 11, 2024, guys. Please do it as a demo. Don't do this on your live with your live money, because trading is a very high risk endeavor. You might lose everything. So please, if you're doing this, do it on the demo until you're going for start betting real money. So please, especially your psychology, the risk aspect of it, you need to learn all of this before starting to bet real money on things like this. So please, again, don't bet real money. Do this only on the demo. Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Please subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. I did this kind of thing some week or thereabouts ago, especially on gold, and the result was awesome. Please, you can go to my channel to search for that video, the most powerful candlestick pattern, that. Just search for a video that starts with that. You can watch it and watch other of my videos. Share them to your friends. This is for education. There is very few of this kind of educational package. Use the real thing as it's happening. There's just very few of them on the internet. People that are doing talking on the about trading and all of that on the internet, just doing that to bring people to themselves and stuff like that, just to have the numbers, and there is no real value in the information they share. Here is real value that I'm showing you here right now. Please subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment on them, and please trade safely. Happy trading, guys. See you in the next one.